Hello and welcome to GTH Integrity Solutions. In this video, I want to welcome you and thank you for taking the time to join this group. If you are new to me and you've never seen anything else that I've done or been a part of, then I am glad that you have joined and decided to join. It will be very beneficial, especially for an individual that may be stuck at a point in their life and they really aren't sure which direction that they are going to go. Maybe you're lost and you have no direction at all. So the biggest thing about it is going to be as much as an asset to you and you to the community as the community is to you. And so it is imperative that you put into it as much, 110%. Put in as much as you can, and it's really going to be something that is going to help. And that's the whole point, is to help everyone, and everyone helps everyone, and especially the small steps, and it's going to get bigger and bigger as it goes. It's new to a lot of people, and yes, everything's going to be new, but don't let that dissuade you or deter you from getting in. Don't be shy. Get active, stay active, talk to people, respond. I'm going to have quizzes. I'm going to have, like questionnaire. That way I get to know you. I'm going to try to do my best to give a giveaway of certain products at a certain time. Now, this is far too early to start giving exact dates on when these things are going to happen, but it will. The biggest thing is you've got into the group, so keep on moving forward and keep going through the course, and step by step, don't skip anything, and we'll be good to go.